Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's password, pin and pattern lock. If you have forgot your phone's pattern lock, password lock or pin lock, so don't worry at all. In this video, I will give you a special trick to how to unlock your smartphone, and this trick is latest in June month, updated in June month 2023. So if you are using this video to unlock your smartphones, and so don't worry at all, this video is very helpful to unlock your smartphone. You will don't have to go any service center and you don't need any computer application. And the main thing is that you will don't have to pay a single money to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so don't worry at all, you are at the best site and the best video of this world to unlock your smartphone. And the main thing is that after using this method, you're not going to losing any data of your smartphone. So it's very useful and it's very convenient for the every consumer one who have forgotten his phone's password or pattern lock. So don't worry at all, I'm going to spell you out how you can unlock your smartphone within 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, so it may be possible this video will be a little bit long because I'm going to spell you out very slowly every step to learn every step very clearly to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes these type of method don't work in a smartphone. So the main thing is that, and the main caution is that your phone's battery should be charged at least 30% before using this unlocking method, because if your phone is discharged at the time of using this unlocking method, it means you're going to losing every data of your smartphone. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay, and the main thing is that these type of method updates every month. So if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then it's okay. Otherwise, you may also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. Okay, first of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Okay, and watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone, my friend. Now, as you know, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network should be switched off. Now you can see here my phone is showing here telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So firstly, I will have to switch off. So for this, simply you will have to slide your phone downside. Now you can see here there is an option of airplane mode. Simply you will have to click on your airplane mode option. After activating your phone's airplane mode option, your all the network will be switched off, and now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method, my friends. Simply you will have to slide your phone upside. Now you can see here there is an option of emergency SOS option. Simply you will have to go with this emergency SOS option. Now you will have to open your phone dialing pad like this. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phone to the master unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is *899#. Mark my words, and you can also write down this number, the *899 and hash. So I am going to feeding this number. After feeding this number, you can see here a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and you can see here there are lots of options on this page. Okay, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option. Simply you will have to go with this. After going with the option of manual test option, a new page will be appear on your phone display, and the page name is engineers mode page. Okay, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. So don't worry at all, you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other, which will comes at the end of the slide. Okay, now you can also see here there are 5 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to go with the option of a main board version. Simply you will have to click on main board version 5 type rapidly. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now after this you can see here at the second option, the second option is showing here read write important lock test option. Simply you will have to click on this read write important lock test option, and the first time when you will click on this, it will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. At the second time you will have to do the same. Okay, and the third time you will have to do the same. But at the fourth time, when you will go with this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the option of OK button. Okay, now after go with the OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password locks has been removed. It means now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But before going with the new pin pattern and password lock, you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to check here whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click here. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked. And the main thing is that all the application and all the data which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. It means this trick really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. And if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then go to hell. You may also make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.